Alright friends, in this session we will learn append operation. For this we will use a character. So append means we add data to the end of the file. You need to understand the difference between append and write. If we use W, it creates new file or overwrite if it exists. But if we want to save our file, our text, and just append a new line, append something, we will use A. So I change my mode right now A. So if I right click and run it, you see I saved existing content and I added this line Z again. If I want to add to the next line, what I need to do, I just come here and put \n, and I run it. You see, I run it. You see, I added new this text to the new line. If I run it again, I added my fourth text to the third line. Okay, for adding file, we use append operation. And for doing this, I just come here, after comma, I write A. Super. See you in the next lesson.